Egg potato triangles.
1 cup of maida all-purpose flour. Salt as per taste. 1 tablespoon of oil. 1 teaspoon of oregano. 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves. Take a mixing bowl and add maida. Add salt. Add chili flakes and oregano. Add chopped coriander leaves. Give a mix. Add oil. Combine well. Gradually add lukewarm water and make soft dough. Soft dough is done. For stuffing, take for boiled potatoes. 3 boiled eggs. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of chopped masala powder. 1 teaspoon of zira cumin powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. 1 teaspoon of oregano. 1 tablespoon of chopped curry leaves. 1 chopped green chili. Take a mixing bowl and grate boiled potatoes. Grate boiled eggs. Add chopped curry leaves. Add chopped green chili. Add turmeric powder and salt. Add zira powder. Add black pepper powder. Add chopped masala. Add chili flakes. Add oregano. Combine all ingredients well. Take small portion of dough and make small balls. Dough balls are ready. Apply flour unrolled dough balls. Roll into a round small chapati. Apply water to corners. Take 1 teaspoon of mixture and place in center. Fold from one side and press. Fold from remaining sides and press. Triangle-shaped snacks are ready for frying. Heat oil and fry. Fry on medium flame. Fry until crisp and golden brown. Flip on other side and fry. Triangles are fried well. Remove them. Crispy triangles are done. Tasty and crispy egg potato triangles are ready to serve. Explore and cook.